Now, continuing from the last class, we had done the topic exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Now, for example, if I have been given this is the question. So, x dy minus y dx is equal to under root of x square plus y square dy. So, which will become nothing but, if you check carefully, so I'll write like this: x dy minus y dx upon y square, actually x dy minus y dx, ठीक है, अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स इंटू ठीक है इंटू डी एक्स दिस डी एक्स इंटू डी एक्स अपॉन एक्स. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर को व्हाट आई हैव डन इज एक्स स्क्वायर को कर दिया, अगर मैंने माइनस ले लिया यहाँ पे, सो दिस विल कम वाई डी एक्स माइनस एक्स डी वाई अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 plus y square by x square into dx by x. Now if you carefully see this, okay, देखो ध्यान से, this if I have to show this, it will become something like this: minus अपॉन ये है एक्स स्क्वायर, ठीक है. अब देखो ये एक्स स्क्वायर है एंड आई हैव दिस इज इक्वल टू, अगर तुम लोग ध्यान से देखोगे तो फॉर, अच्छा एक काम करो, ऐसा लिखो माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ठीक है डी ऑफ वाई बाई एक्स एंड दिस इज आई राइट इट एज under root of 1 plus y by x the whole square, which is equal to integration dx upon x. This entire term is the derivative of y by x. This entire term is the derivative of y by x. So this formula is nothing but minus ln y by x plus under root of 1 plus y by x the whole square is equal to ln x plus c is equal to ln x plus c. And if I simplify this further, so this will become ln mod y by x plus under root of 1 plus y by x the whole square plus ln mod x is equal to c minus c, and this will become e raised to minus c, which will become c. So my final answer will become y by x plus under root of 1 plus y by x the whole square into x is equal to e raised to minus c, which is equal to capital C. As everybody understood this, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना है, it is the direct derivative. Now for a homogeneous differential equation, if the question is if y dy by dx the whole square plus 2x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0, where y is equal to root 5 at x is equal to 0. Find the curve. Okay. Y divided by dx whole square plus 2x divided by dx minus y is equal to 0. At y is equal to 5, find the curve. Now I know this is a quadratic equation. So for my quadratic equation, this will become dy by dx is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if I see मेरा ना 2 directly cut हो रहा है, so this will become minus x plus minus under root of x square plus y square upon y, because my 2 got eliminated. And if I have to solve this, simple सा बात है, if I divide by x, this will become minus 1 plus minus under root of 1 plus y by x the whole square, the whole upon y by x, which is dy by dx. And this will become dy by dx. अब मुझे मेरे पास y by x दिया है, so all you have to do is I have to take y is equal to vx, therefore dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. And you guys will be solving this entire sum, and at the end of the lecture we'll be comparing the final answer. So you guys will be solving this entire sum. Y is equal to vx हो गया, so this will become like this: v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root of 1 plus v square upon v. Okay, so all you have to do is just पहले प्लस के सॉल्व करो, माइनस से सॉल्व करो, देखो क्या आंसर आता है, एंड यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Find the curve such that angle formed by tangent. Find the curve such that angle formed by tangent drawn to the curve at any point with x-axis is twice the angle formed by polar radius. Twice the angle formed by polar radius at point of tangency with x-axis. Point of tangency with x-axis. So now what I understand is, मुझे ऐसा बना दिया, I'll take this point as x comma y. Okay. This is your theta. Okay. this is your y and this is your x. ठीक है, अब देखो यार ये है मेरा r. If you read the question, find the curve of the angle formed by the tangent at any point with respect to the x-axis is twice the angle formed by polar radius. इसका मतलब होता है tan 2 theta is equal to dy by dx. tan 2 theta is equal to dy by dx. मतलब dy by dx will become 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. अब देखो यहाँ पे देख के मालूम पड़ रहा है कि if I solve this, tan theta will become y upon x. So this will become dy by dx is equal to 2y upon x 1 minus y square upon x square. 1 minus y square upon x square. Now if I arrange this, or if you don't want to arrange this, I will directly take it as let y is equal to vx. So here I will write let y is equal to vx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. So this will become v plus x dv by dx is equal to 2v upon 1 minus v square. Again, you will continue with this sum and you will solve and you will tell me the final answer. Okay, so once you solve it, we will compare if your answer and what we solve is the same part. Next. Find equation of the curve intersecting x-axis at x is equal to 1. Satisfying the property that length of subnormal at any point of the curve is equal to the arithmetic mean of coordinate at that point. Find equation of curve intersecting the x-axis at x is equal to 1, satisfying the property that length of subnormal at any point of the curve is equal to the arithmetic mean of the coordinate at that point. अब देखो लेंथ ऑफ सबनॉर्मल बोले, पहले लिख लेते हैं. लेंथ ऑफ सबनॉर्मल इज इक्वल टू arithmetic mean of the coordinates. देखो पहले सबसे पहले लेंथ ऑफ सबनॉर्मल का फॉर्मूला इज y इज y tan theta, which is y dy by dx. ठीक है, y इज इक्वल टू dy by dx. अब ये क्या इक्वल है? y dy by dx is equal to x plus y by 2. So this will become x plus y by 2. And now if I solve this, so this will become dy by dx is equal to x plus y by 2y. Okay, x plus y by 2y. अब कुछ नहीं करना. What I can do is, if I solve this, all you have to do is take y is equal to vx. I think you'll get the answer because you can't separate this. So you'll take y is equal to vx. The whole sum, just solve it by y is equal to vx and you will get the answer. Okay, so back to back 3 sums you have to solve y is equal to vx using homogeneous differential equation. And फिर हम देखेंगे कि how can we proceed with this sum. Okay, so next, solution of x dy upon x square plus y square is equal to y upon x square plus y square minus 1 dx. Okay, very nice sum if I have to solve it. X dy by dx upon x square plus y square, okay, is equal to y upon x square plus y square minus 1 dx. ठीक है, चलो, if I have to solve this sum, if I have to simplify this further, अब मुझे पता है कि x dy upon x square plus y square is given to me, dy by dx भी मिल जाएगा. If I want to simplify this further, I can simplify this further. इसका फॉर्मूला भी है, ठीक है. अब देखो, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है मुझे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज गिवन टू मी. अगर समझो मैंने इसका एलसीएम, समझो, इफ आई सिंप्लीफाई दिस, एक्स डी वाई अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू फाइव ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू y माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर dx अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ठीक है, अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज गिवन. अब if I have to solve this, okay, if you pay attention, see this, what is this becoming? X dy, and if I take minus y dx upon x square plus y square, and if I take minus common, it will become x square plus y square upon x square plus y square dx. ये तो easy हो गया, ये निकल गया. And if you check this, x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square, देखो क्या करेंगे हम लोग. What I am going to do is, if I divide by x, say for example, if I divide by x, okay, x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square दिया है. If I write it like this, see, pay attention, see this, x dy minus y dx upon x dy minus y dx. If I have to solve this, या तो अगर मैंने सिर्फ x square plus y square को solve किया, if I solve only x square plus y square, चलो ऐसे पहले ये देखते हैं, देखो ध्यान से, look at this. I can write this as 1 upon y plus x the whole square, 1 upon y plus x the whole square, y upon x. देखो इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा, see what will this become, it will become x dy minus y dx upon, if I divide by x square, यहाँ पे भी x square से divide हो जाएगा. And we have done in the previous sum कि ये basically this is nothing but y by x is nothing but x dy minus y dx upon x square. And अगर मैंने इसको इंटीग्रेट किया और मैंने यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेट किया, हो जाएगा माइनस डी एक्स, एंड ये मेरे डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव है. दिस इज नथिंग बट इंटीग्रेशन डी ऑफ y by x upon 1 plus y by x the whole square is equal to minus dx. So numerator is direct derivative of denominator. देखिए अगर इसको t ले लिया तो ये dt हो जाएगा, तो दिस विल बिकम बेसिकली tan inverse of y by x is equal to minus x plus c. Did you guys understand this? ये u अपॉन v है. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, s डिवाइड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर कर दिया तो पूरा फॉर्मूला बन गया. तो अगर नहीं करना डायरेक्ट, टेक y बाई एक्स एस टी. इफ आई टेक y बाई एक्स एस टी, दिस विल बिकम dt, and dt upon 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse y by x. Did you guys understand this? Anybody has any doubts? No. The last type 5. type 5 is reducible to homogeneous differential equation. अब यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा शिफ्टिंग ऑफ ओरिजिन यूज होगा गाइस, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा शिफ्टिंग ऑफ ओरिजिन यूज होगा. अब मेरा टाइप है रेड्यूसिबल टू होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. कैसे करेंगे देखो, अभी क्वेश्चन बोला है फाइंड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 3y minus 7x plus 7 dx plus 7y minus 3x plus 3 dy is equal to. Find solution of dy minus 7x plus 7 dx plus 7y minus 3x plus 3 dy is equal to 0. So I can write it as dy by dx will become, if I take dy by dx, okay, if I take dy by dx, this will become 7x minus 3y minus 7 upon minus 3x plus 7y plus 3. ओके, अब देखो यार, मुझे देख के मालूम पड़ रहा है कि a1 a2 का रेशियो देखो क्या है, 7 अपॉन माइनस 3, और b1 b2 का रेशियो इज माइनस 3 अपॉन 7, बट दे आर नॉट इक्वल. So one method is you can do it by homogeneous differential equation. You can do this by homogeneous differential equation, and that method is y is equal to vx. One method is where you get y is equal to vx. अगर नहीं, अब बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं कर सकते, you can do it. But what I am going to do is, देखो ध्यान से देखो what I am going to do. I will take let x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k. Let x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k. And now देखो, if I have to solve this, okay, obviously इसका derivative will become dy by d capital X will become 7 into capital X plus h minus 3 into capital Y plus k minus 7 upon this will become minus 3 into capital X plus h plus 7 into capital Y plus k plus 3. Simple. Okay, if I simplify this, d capital Y upon d capital X will become 7x 7 capital X minus 3 capital Y, 7 capital X minus 3 capital Y, and this will become 7h 3k plus 7h minus 3k minus 7. Now ये क्या हो जाएगा, minus 3 capital H plus 7 capital Y minus 3h plus 7k plus 3 minus 3h plus 7k plus 3. अब मुझे पता है मुझे सिर्फ कैपिटल X और कैपिटल Y चाहिए. सो देखो, आई विल चेक अ सिंपल थिंग कि 7h minus 3k minus 7 and minus 3h plus 7k plus 3, ये ज़ीरो कब होगा? ये ज़ीरो कब तब होगा जब मैं h का वैल्यू 1 ले लूँगा और k का वैल्यू 0 ले लूँगा. तो मुझे पॉइंट मिल गया है. बेसिकली माई, if I shift my x to capital X plus 1 and if I shift my y as capital Y plus 0, this will become 0. So now this will become dy by dx at that point will become 7x minus 3y upon minus 3x plus 7y. Okay, 7x minus 3y plus 3x minus 7y. Okay, now obviously I can't separate this, so I will take let y is equal to vx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to capital X plus x into d capital V. Sorry, तो v plus x dv by dx will become 7 capital X minus 3 V capital X upon minus 3 capital X plus 7 V capital X. एंड मुझे देख के मालूम पड़ रहा है कि मेरा x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. जैसे मेरा कैंसिल हो गया, दिस विल बिकम p plus x dv by dx is equal to 7 minus 3v upon minus 3 plus 7v. Minus 3 plus 7v. We will go that side. So x dv by dx is equal to 7 minus 3v minus 3v plus minus 3v माइनस हो जाएगा तो प्लस 3v minus 7v square upon 7v minus 3. And if you check, and this gets cancelled, and then all you have to do is just substitute this. So this will become x dv by dx is equal to 7 minus 7v square upon 7v minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 7v square is equal to upon 7v minus 3. इसके बाद you have to do integration by parts, or you can do it like this. 7v minus 3 upon 7 into 1 minus v square. Okay, 1 minus v square आ जाएगा. dv is equal to integration d capital X upon x. ठीक है. Now whichever method you want to complete with, you can solve by that method. Okay, again I'm leaving this to you guys. You have to finish it and you will tell me how will you proceed with this sum. Next, integrating factor. Now say for example my question is of this part, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. How do you solve integrating factor? Integrating factor is e raised to integration p dx. Okay, you will get p and q from the question, and last part becomes y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx. Okay, this is type 1 of integrating factor. Now since we are talking about type 1 of integrating factor, all I have to do is dy by dx y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx. Now if I take a question, dy by dx minus y is equal to e raised to x. Okay, dy by dx minus y is equal to e raised to. It looks exactly like this. Now some people, if they don't click नहीं होता है कि integrating factor है, तो they do it by y is equal to vx, that is a homogeneous differential equation. अब देखो ये ना exactly ऐसे दिख रहा है. So I'll compare it with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p will become minus 1, q will become e raised to x. So integrating factor will become e raised to integration minus 1 dx, which is e raised to minus x. And then when I multiply, this will become y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx. So y into e raised to minus x is equal to integration q is e raised to x into e raised to minus x dx, which will become y into e raised to minus x is equal to integration 1 dx, which is y is equal to e raised to minus x is equal to x plus c. So y is equal to x e raised to x plus c e raised to x, and this is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, now one sum for you guys to solve. 1 minute, let me check the question. Don't take this one. Take another question. Yellow. Okay. नेक्स्ट, ये था इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर का टाइप 1, ये है टाइप 2. dx by dy plus px is equal to q. It's the contrast of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Integrating factor will become e raised to integration p dy, and y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dy. Okay. Now it's very, sometimes it gets very difficult for everyone to understand how you're supposed to solve this sum. Let's take a very simple example कि मेरा question है x plus y dy by dx is equal to 1. Right? Like look like a very simple sum. It is a very simple sum. You can solve this by homogeneous differential equation. You can solve this by integrating factor. But अगर मैंने इसको ऐसे लिख दिया कि dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x plus y, there's a very simple rule of mathematics that you cannot split the denominator for obvious reasons. Can't split the denominator. But अगर मैंने इसको रेसिप्रोकल ले लिया, is equal to minus x minus y. So dx plus dy, ये देखो dx plus dy plus px is equal to q. Okay. So p will become 1, q will become minus y, and integrating factor will become e raised to integration 1 dx, which is 1 dy, which is e raised to y, and therefore y into x into e raised to y, x into integrating factor, x into, so x into e raised to y is equal to integration q minus y into e raised to y dy, and here is your integration by u into v. Okay, integration by parts. तो अगर ये लिख दिया कि x into e raised to y माइनस बाहर ले लिया, so y into e raised to y minus e raised to y plus c. That's it. This is where your sum gets over. Okay, ये मेरा टाइप 2 था. Okay, this was type 2. ठीक है, चलो we'll start writing till here first. ठीक है, last part of the chapter we'll be doing in the next class, and then we'll be starting with 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, chalo, we'll stop for the day.